Hi, in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can replace the battery on a Lenovo Yoga laptop. This is Lenovo Yoga laptop I have from work, and the battery basically, after using it every single day for about 5-6 years, is basically down to maybe 30-40%. It's really not holding charge for more than like half an hour. We've decided to replace the battery. It's super easy. The battery you can get on Amazon for about $30. Check out the link to the location on Amazon, and I'll show you how you can easily replace it. You gotta flip it on its back, and when you buy the battery comes with the screwdrivers. So you're gonna need the really tiny screwdrivers to get the screws. Basically you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 screws. Be careful because the screws are not the same length in all the spaces, so make sure don't mix it. Now, after removing all the screws, you can use a tool like this, or sometimes the guitar pick is really good choice to go and open the back of the laptop. I've had it open, I closed it, so let me see if I can open it again. All we need to do is just to get the edge like this open. So we need to slide the tool and go around the edges, and you're gonna hear the clips popping, and you're gonna know that it's gonna be open. And then you go around. Now we can open the back. I'm gonna put it on the side, and here's the battery, and you have 1, 2, 3 and 4 screws that we need to remove to get the battery out. And as you can see, this is exactly the same battery, it's just generic. We need to remove the connector that is located right here. The original battery for this laptop is L15 M4 PC2. The battery that I'm using, generic, is L15 M4 PC2. It's just by a different manufacturer. Before I remove the original battery, I always check the connector so I know how it looks. So this is the connector on a brand new battery. Everything is so tiny, so in order for me to see everything, I just need to use my magnifying glasses. If you want to buy something like this, I bought it at Harbor Freight. I'll give you the link also on the bottom. Now this is the hardest part of the whole process, is just to move gently the battery cable from the socket. So you have to be very careful. Push that down. Of course, remember, before you're gonna touch anything, discharge yourself. And I'm just gently pulling that out of the socket. So this is the hardest part of the whole process. And then once we out, we can just slide it. So now we just have to do everything in reverse. Put a brand new battery on, connect it, and the whole process from A to Z shouldn't take longer than 5-10 minutes. If you have any questions, send me an email and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.